instructional part of the video. You can get tabs and backing tracks if you go to my website, www.erichaugenguitar.com. Today I'm playing with my Danelectro 59X guitar running into my pedal board, using my Strymon Deco for some crunch, and then the amp I am selecting from my little setup back here is my Mojotone Tweed Pro clone, mic'd up with a Rode NTR active ribbon mic. That's what you're hearing. Now let's rock out with this thing. So it's going to start with a little drone thing, 0 and 7, 4 and 2. And that's really like kind of part of a B chord. It's 4, 4, 4. Part of an E chord, 1, 0, 0. And then the B power chord, but since my pinky's there it is. Twice, and then big old E chord. With my pinky, I'm going to get that 2 on the high E. B bar chord. 2, 4, 4, 4. And I do it with my pinky just because it's faster for me, but if that's faster for you, that's fine. F sharp. And back 2. And now the power chord part. B, E, all the way up here, 2 and 4. Move it forward to get that F sharp, 4 and 6. If you can sneak an open B in the middle. Oh, that was a neat one. Got a harmonic that time. And then just for grins, I was like, well, if I had to take a weird kind of punkish Billy Zoom solo on this, what would I do? I'm thinking I hit an open B and then I'm like, I know that, that's a third of a B. And I'm like, well, I bet I could bend this A note, my 14, all the way up to become a B, so I get that cool. And I was like, oh, here's B blues right here, so I do kind of the same thing, but that's more of a... using that drone string in the middle, so you got... And it's going to be a little out of tune because that's the nature of guitar. Like that note, it's just guitar. I mean, maybe my intonation's not great, but that's just how it is. So you kind of wiggle it a lot. And that one's the same idea. 9's going up, 0 in the middle, 7 up there. And then I put in Slash's Welcome to the Jungle riff, sort of. This isn't Welcome to the Jungle. Where's it go? Anyway, it's, I don't know why, that's what came to mind. Anyways, I digress. Again, droning, so that's 4 and 0. There's a, just another B blues. 2, 4, 3, 2, 0, 2. There it is. And I don't know why. I was like, what if I go this way? So this is a series of harmonized, chromaticized sixths off of the B. To get us to that next section. So there's always going to be a gap in the middle there. So it's 4 and 4. And I'm muting it, just with the fat part of that finger. 6 and 5. 7 and 7. 8 and 8. 9 and 9. Back it up. 9, 11 and 11. And finally landing on 9 and 9 on the G and B. And then I start moving up in thirds in the scale. So this time, instead of thinking blues, I'm actually thinking of, I think B major. Yeah. Was it? And the upper side's going. So you get 9 and 9, 11 and 11, 13 and 12, 15, 16 and 16. Yeah, cool. And then, yeah, I guess it's kind of the melody, kind of harmonized, because, yeah, this is all. Oh, yeah, because it's the part of the song that's on E, and then it goes to B, you know, which is really just an octave higher, and then I know it's going to go. So it's like, So that's I'm just still following the chords for that, because it's E, which is in my brain, that's all the way up at 17, 16, and then I'm like B, because there's a B chord way up there, 15, 16, 14, and then I'm like, F sharp, so that run again. And that's one of those classic garage rock, punk rock kind of blues attacks. 14/14's flat with the index finger. 15/16 is pushing up. If you know only one lick, that's a classic to know. And then you're just back to. That's it. If you are not familiar with the show Freaks and Geeks, this song is prominently featured as the title sequence for that show, and it's a great show, and I really enjoyed that, and obviously this is a great song, so this is sort of my homage to Joan Jett and Freaks and Geeks to do this little arrangement. It's definitely got some tricky bits in there with the parallel sixes moving up and chromaticisms, and it's actually hard to do some of those drony tricks that switch back to the chordy tricks. So definitely take it slow. Slow and steady wins the race, and most importantly, have fun with it. Thanks for watching.